Today, let me talk about one of the best AI video generators out there that you can use completely for free. That is Degen.ai. And one of the best updates here, that is Master Remix. Here you can leverage and take the benefit of the most trending video clips on TikTok and Instagram and get ready to use them as you like. So for example here, if you just find this at the first glance, the most trending video clips are regarding Bigfoot. Here you can find this vlog video clips, so you can remix it as you like. Or like this one Pepe podcast, perfect trending videos on YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and so on and so forth. So, for example, if I select one of these Bigfoot video clips, like this one, for example, here I can click over this button, remix video. Then I can go to this section. Here I can record myself, okay, or upload a voiceover from 11 Labs or anything else from my device. Or you can click over this button in speech. Here you can insert your text to be converted to voiceover. So for example, here I just insert something like that comes to my mind right now, like hey, ready, be always ready, for example, and generate audio. It could be like this one. Okay, perfect. Then just you can select this one, Gen 3 or Gen 2. So I just select this one, Gen 2, and here you can set your video settings like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and so on, or just 2 key, and click over this button, generate your video. And just in a few seconds, here you can find your output, and the result would be like this one. As you see. Okay, then you can download this video clip completely for free from this option. So this is the first feature here on Degen.ai, that is a Master Remix. You can remix and reuse all these trending topics and trending video clips for your own purpose. So how about converting your text to image and converting image to beautiful video clips? Here you can go back in this home page, for example, okay. Then you can click over this button, create, and now it's time to make your own image or your video. So then you can find here two different options: video, to generate your video from image, and just you can start up from this image, okay, just to convert your text or your prompt to a beautiful image. So for example, here just to go to ChatGPT and get a story about that tsunami, okay, tsunami disaster that consists of different scenes like scene 1 and scene number 2, 3, and so forth. So I can get for every single scene a detailed AI art prompt as you observe. So this one, as for condensed for visuals, the ocean goes silent, then wave comes, then the aftermath, and so on. So for example, I just take one of these beautiful scenes randomly, like this one, scene number 3. I can take this prompt, copy, and go to Degen.ai and insert here in this box. Then you can set your dimensions here, either for vertical short videos or for regular dimensions of YouTube videos, like this one. Okay, and here you can find different styles that you can choose from, and then click over this button, generate this scene, and here you can find 4 different variations of your scene as you see. Perfect. So if you select one of them, here you can find this option to make video or convert it to a beautiful video, or you can retry it to generate or regenerate a new scene or a new image from the same prompt. So I can select one of them, like this one, the wave is coming as you observe. So I can select this image and convert this image to video. So click over this button, make a video, and will be taken to this video interface. And here for sure you can select another image to end your video clip. So this is the first image, okay, or the first scene of your video, and this is the end scene as you want. So if you click over this button, you have to upload an image here to make the scene ended with. Anyway, I can't get enough with this amazing scene, and here you can find some options here, this models, to add an action to the characters found on this video. Here you can find the 23 models available here as you want. So if you select one of these, it would be applied to the main character of this video clip. And here you can find this effect models. Okay, here you can find some effects for this camera movement or something else in this video clip. And here you can find this video prompt. Here you can insert the dynamic actions or the movement found on this video clip, or you can click over this button, prompt enhancer, and it gives you crystal clear of the movement of this video scene. So click over this button, prompt enhance, and just in few seconds it gives you this amazing prompt for your scene, as you see, in a rural village setting and so on. Then it's time now for sure, if you have a voiceover, if you want to add this voiceover for this scene, you can click over this button or something else. And anyway, I'll just skip this step, and here you can video control 5 seconds or 10 seconds to key the resolution, then generate your video, and just in a snap you can find this amazing video clip. And this video, as you see, amazing, isn't it? High quality video clip for this wave is coming. Here you can find an amazing feature here in Degenerate AI. Here you can actually make two generations at the same time. So while you are waiting for this video would be generated, here you can go to this image. You can find one of these images as well to be converted to a video, and then you can make concurrent generations at the same time. So you can make your video more expansion or in different angles and so on. And so you can get all these video clips as you observe, then you can download it for free to your device. So you've got to use this amazing website, Degenerate AI, to make remix of the trending video clips on social media, or you can make and build your own video from scratch by converting your image to video and so on. And of course, to your knowledge, if you sign up for free, you do get 300 for every single new account. So you can for sure try many of these accounts using temporary emails like email on deck or temporary email and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.